This is Larry.
And I'm Sophia.
Welcome to Math News.
This is where you get your school week announcements all in one. So let's start off as usual with our sport.
Last Friday, September 9th, our varsity football team went up against Ingleton High School. The game was close with an ending gap of 3 points, but we ended up besting them with a score of 24-21.
The next game for our football team will be this Friday, September 16th at 7 p.m. They're going to be going against Friendswood. Let's stomp them out with all our school spirit. There can only be one horse around here.
For our varsity foot volleyball team, they had 2 games last week. First, we have a game against Dickinson on Tuesday, September 6th. The game they won with a score of 3-1. And guess what? They also had a game on Friday, September 9th against the Texas City, and they absolutely crushed it.
Our varsity volleyball girls won with a score of 3-0. Amazing. Their next game is Friday, September 16th against LaPorte. Keep it up, girls, and get another win.
That'll be it for our sports, and now on to our school news, starting with the upcoming events of this week.
This Wednesday, September 14th is Junior Parent Night at 6 p.m. in the auditorium. But in general, it's a parent open house. So let your parents know and come in and learn about your education.
Students, freshmen through juniors, you guys have fall pictures this Friday, September 16th. Make sure to look your best because I'm pretty sure that photo is what's going to be going on your ID. Tomorrow, Tuesday, September 13th, is a parent meeting about being able to go to Iceland. Have you ever wanted to see the Northern Lights? Go whale watching? Go relax and dip in hot springs? Then this meeting is for you. Come down to the LGI at 6 p.m. to get information about this Iceland trip during the spring break of the 2024 school year. Another trip meeting is on Thursday, September 15th, about going to Australia. If you'd like to see kangaroos or the Great Barrier Reef, come down to the virtual meeting. It starts at 6 p.m. and if you require more information, go see Miss Tran and Miss Tilton at 6:30 or B214.
That'll be it for this week's Math News.
Enjoy the rest of your week, and we'll see you next week for more Math News.